Hi, I'm Dr. Sara Rubenacker, OBGYN. This is what I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to help people in some form, and whenever you start to look into the fields, this is just where I felt like I was intended to be. I hadn't really thought that this is where I would the field I would go into, but once I did it, I found my tribe is basically how we describe it, and these are the people that I love taking care of and love helping women have healthy pregnancies and healthy deliveries. Since I've been here, I've had my own children, and I think it just reinforced how special this time is for a woman. Sometimes we lose sight that, yes, it's another day of work for us, but it's a really special day for these families. And I think just seeing my children and just how incredible they are, and knowing that you get to take a part of that for families in this area, it's just a really good and reinforcement of that I went into the right field. So I grew up in Hamilton County, and still just holds such a special. It just holds a special place in my heart, and it's so incredible to be able to give back to the community that helped raise me. Is how I describe it. I'm known as Dr. Rubenacker, but I'm also known as Nolene's daughter a lot of the times. Like, that's my second name here. And I'm so proud of that, because I think so much of my mom and what she has done in that community as well. And it's just incredible to be back here and take care of people I grew up with and their family members. There's kind of no better feeling that someone referred their family member to me because they thought, I was worth that. And I just think a lot. I love taking care of these people. I remember when I was really little, like preschool, I wanted to be a veterinarian. And I just, I guess I had always just wanted to be a helper. And then just as I got older, it just went towards helping people instead. So I guess I didn't think of it at the time, but since I've had my sons, we watch a lot of Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, and I just think that show was so incredible whenever I was growing up, and the lessons that it taught, and I strongly feel like everybody, adults and children today, should watch that show. I think we all need a little bit more of those lessons in our lives today. If you ask my coworkers, is that I can bust out in song at the drop of a hat. It doesn't matter what genre, it doesn't matter. I just can do it, and usually I have some choreographed moves as well. I wouldn't say I've traveled a lot of places, but one of my favorite places I've been to was Alaska. I just can't even describe how beautiful it was in that state, and just to be able to be somewhere that's so green and so lush, but then these mountaintops with snow, and it's just surreal, almost, just the beauty of that area.